me did the Ellen Otten. Say me fi promo banamit na me konjoma. TV station back up and I miss Enyim TV. And one and your papa war, I put 27 war, Madam I say.
Your friend me, Juliet Frempon. Because Sefi, where you A1. Na said ye see a boy. Na carry Menya TV be. Ah, your friend, Enyim TV. Na come show me the series. Ana se ewia boya ewie maye ku and kamenya FM bia aba ye friend eyi FM na kawie o mami ku numbers bi na kami bo mi tinku se pu eyi TV we connect
all right go.
To flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry. Last year, they didn't know.
Festival. Hello.
Aha, yeah, come on. Sir. Come on. Come on.
twani ma ka eto no
Eti wa o san kan ori no. Aha. Bewa me. Aha. Sa. Bewa me, abenya me eso ala. Aha. Abenya me so ala. What I said. Apaya. Awala ope. Yeah. What I said. And then the rain, you know, I don't really. T-shirts and I have for sale. I don't really keep standing up. T-shirts and I don't really keep standing up. Yeah, but also. And to one won't you with the other sales, I don't know the air. What I said. T-shirts and wrong, I don't know the other. The one they sell, I don't know the air.
Ode chiobi baba sa. Hey. Don't sleep, wake up. Collect your money, wake up. Collect your money, wake up. Tera, go get the moolah. Wake up, money go kala.
Ayi media yaba ede ama obi biara o di dwuma sononko a opese amansan nyinara ete se ya manone se ya oman Ghana ayi media ewo ho ede ma ho eye birthday ena udi ana eye wedding naming ceremony anaso opese obo ayi wagwaton de ho dewu graduation bi ena wo ye tonsa fere ayi media ya beba nyaba be cover ni nyina ede ama ho ayi media ewo social media platforms ahodo or ye Facebook live or streaming a program biara ewo online freyen ewo 0541 706568 0541 706568 and 0507 862964 obehu yen ewo Livingstone Junction Buadua and American abanso fefefe bi esiwo na se pe ene yewo